Hello, my name is O Tama Carey and we're here today at Lanka Filling Station to show you how to cook some recipes from my new cookbook. I'm going to show you how to make a brown curry powder. This curry powder is the base of many of the recipes in the book. It's also a good all-purpose curry powder for a lot of Sri Lankan cooking. The first thing you need to do is measure out all your spices. So once you have all your spices weighed out, traditionally what you would do is roast each spice or toast each spice separately, but we are going to make it a little bit easier and group them into batches. So take the first batch of ingredients, put them in a pan. We will toast that over a medium to high heat for a few minutes. You'll notice that the spices start to release some of their aromas. At this stage though, you want to turn down the heat a little and then keep toasting for at least another 4 to 6 minutes. So once the first batch of spices are toasted, they can go into a bowl. Move on to your second batch of spices, repeat the process again, and then again we'll repeat it for the third time with the third batch of ingredients. Once your spices are all together in a bowl, we'll give them a little moment to cool down. Then into a mortar and pestle they go and pound away until you have a coarse to fine curry powder. Once the spices are nicely ground, you can add in the turmeric and chili powder and give it a stir to mix. And then your curry powder is done. Now you have a nice curry powder ready to go. It will last for a good 6 months, best stored in an airtight container in a dark spot.